Bro, I'm crying.
I woke up with you on my mind. Watch the air turn as you breathe.
You know, I've always loved reading about love stories. The cheesy ones, the hopeless romantics, the kind where the star quarterback gives up his entire career for the love of his life. Grabe, no? Goals talaga yun. Sometimes I wonder, am I living that kind of story? Well, let's be honest. I'm not the love interest in a rom-com book, and you're definitely not a quarterback. Somehow, this love is bigger than all the stories I've read.
There's a quiet moving in your wings. It's a peace I've never known.
So the chance of meeting you in this world is 1 in a million, and yet we've met in a place unexpectedly. And the red string surely just happened. So thank you God, and thank you McDonald's. So hashtag love ko to talaga. So from now on, hindi ka na mag-iisa. That I promise you. Hindi ka na mag-iisa sa mga what-ifs in life. We will face everything together, even through the hardest time. I will love you not just when it's convenient, not just when everything is perfect, but especially when life gets tough, when the days feel uncertain, when you start to wonder if anyone will stay. I will, I promise.
Maybe love is understanding that slow weekend mornings for me means waking up at 7 a.m. to clean the house like a maniac. Or smiling while I get super OC about the tiniest detail kasi alam mo na importante yun sa peace of mind ko. So no, this may not be a novel or a Netflix special, but it's real. It's ours. And honestly, I wouldn't trade it for anything. I used to dream of being so many things. A writer, a lawyer, a flight attendant, a pop star, or even an actress. But deep down, what I've always wanted was to be a wife and a mom. And today, you've made that dream come true.
To hide your heart in the dark, I'll find it waiting. Light of the highway, signal you turn. When you're somewhere down the line, there I could follow you into the night. And just out cold.
When the world feels heavy, just being beside you makes me whole. You hear me even when I don't have the words. That's your magic. Not grand gestures, quiet but quiet strength. You hold space for me, make me laugh when I want to cry, and remind me I'm okay, that I will always be okay because you're there.
Ikaw yung tao na nakikita kong sasamahan ko sa lahat, at ako yung taong susuporta sa iyo sa lahat ng hilip. I promise to continue pray for you, with you, and over you. I want you to know that I still wish for you even you're already here with me. Because even with you beside me, I still long for every moment to be as perfect as the dream I had before you were ever truly mine. I'll keep pushing for you because my heart still wants to know you more, to love you deeper, to discover every version of you because I want you to be the best version of yourself, either as Chef AJ or Attorney AJ. I met you for a reason. God knew my heart needed you and I want to laugh with you, cry with you, and pray with you for the rest of my life. I love you, dude. I love you, best friend. I love you, Bob. I love you, Eddie. And I will love all your alternate personalities.
I don't need to promise to fight for us because we've never had to fight to love each other. I just want to keep choosing you every day with joy, with ease, with all my heart. And now I don't need everything because I have you.
We are two hearts intertwined. I can see it in your eyes, like the stars that fill the darkest night. We are perfect, perfectly aligned. It's in your eyes, it's in your eyes. I can feel it lifting off the ground. Just take my hand, scream it out, move it at the speed of sound, move it at the speed of sound.
I believe you are the angel that God has sent me in this life. And today, I'm not just promising to be with you for the rest of my life. I'm promising to be your peace the way you've always been mine.
I lose track of all the hours. There's no place I'd rather be.